Hey kids, today we will practice multiplication facts for 2. For example, 2 times 4 would equal 8. Multiplying by 2 is really easy. And today Faith is going to join us. Can you say hi, Faith?
Hi.
Faith is in 3rd grade and she's 8 years old and she loves multiplication. And by the way, she's my granddaughter. Here's what we're doing. For this lesson, we're going to practice some vocabulary. We're going to skip count by 2s a little bit, and then we're going to practice some 2 facts. So the numbers that you multiply, for example, 2 times 4, those are called factors. The answer of 8 is called the product. You can switch the factors around, and you're still going to get the same product. That's called the commutative property of multiplication. You could also go up and down. For example, 2 times 4 is 8. Or you could switch it. It's going to be 8. In Faith, that's called the commutative property of multiplication. So how does multiplying by 2 works? Well, think of it this way. If you went shopping, and let's just say you buy socks, right? And you say, I'm going to buy 5 pairs of socks. Well, how many socks are in each pair?
Not 1, but 2.
So in other words, 5 times 2, well, that would equal 10. So that's how multiplying by 2 works, okay? Our strategy today is that we're going to skip count by 2s, and Faith is going to help. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So we'll try that again. Ready? Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. And don't worry if you didn't get that the first 2 times. We'll be practicing that a lot today. So how does it work? Well, let's find out. A lot of times you can just use your hands. So for example, let's just say if you had to do 2 times 4. Well, what you could do is you could count the number 4 fingers. And we're going to go for this lesson from left to right. So for example, ready? We're going to count by 2 4 times. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So in other words, 2 times 4 is 8. Now, why did I stop at 8? Because that was on which finger, everybody? The 4th one. That's why. Let's try one more example. Faith, want to help out with this one?
2 times 7 would stop on the 7th finger. We're still going left to right.
Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14.
So 2 times 7 equals 14.
And Faith, why did we stop at the 7? Because it was the 7th finger. Okay, let's practice. Faith and I are going to practice together. Okay, so 2 times 0. Well, that's easy. That's just going to be the 0 rule. And any number times 0 is always just going to be 0. So 2 times 0 is equal to 0.
2 times 1. Well, that's easy too because it's just a 1 rule. Any number times 1 is itself. So in this case, 2 times 1 equals 2.
Great job. 2 times 2. Now you may want to use your hands if you like to keep track, but we would just say 2, 4. So 2 times 2 is 4.
2 times 3. You can use your fingers. 2, 4, 6. So 2 times 3 would equal 6.
Thanks, Faith. 2 times 4. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8. So 2 times 4 is 8.
2 times 5. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2 times 5 is 10.
Not bad.
Or you can count by 5s 2 times. For example, 5, 10. Either way, you would still get the same answer.
Good one. Okay. 2 times 6. It's getting harder, but let's try it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Nice job.
2 times 7. Did you guess it? Yep, it was 14.
Wow, they're getting a little bit harder, Faith, but let's keep trying, right?
Mm-hmm.
2 times 8, so we can keep track with your hands if you want. I'm going to try to do it. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And I stopped at my 8th finger and I got 16.
And also if you are having trouble counting by twos, you can always take the other number and double it and add it.
Great strategy. That's just a great double strategy. Thanks, Faith.
For example, like 8 plus 2 plus 8 equals 16.
Good one. 2 times 9. Oh boy, getting harder, but I'm going to try it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18.
2 times 10. That's the 10 rule. Add a 0 to the other number, which in this case it's 2. So take the 2 and put a 0 at the end.
Or you could just kind of do it counting by twos, right? And if you just go 2, 4, 6, 8, it would go all the way up to 20. And either way really would work.
2 times 11. Well, that's easy because it's the 11 rule. Double the under number. So just take the 2 and put another 2 at the end.
Great, Faith, thanks. 2 times 12, you could count by 2 to 12. There's nothing wrong with that. And eventually you'll memorize that it's just 24. Or you could try another strategy. So for example, you could think of it this way. 2 times 12, you could really just think of your 11 rule. Remember, Faith said it's really easy. That would just be 22, right? And just add 2 more. And guess what? It's going to be 24. So either way will work. It's whichever way you like best.
Time for the random order.
I love random order.
It might get a little challenging, but don't worry. We'll practice.
Okay.
8 times 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16.
Nice job. Okay. Oh, I get the easy one, Faith. 2 times 2, 2, 4.
9 times 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Did you guess it? Yeah, it's 18.
Good job. Oh, I finally got a hard one. 2 times 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. It'll come. Or we could really think 2 times 11, right, is 22, and just add 2 more, and it's going to be 24. So either way is a great way.
3 times 2. You'll eventually know it very quickly and just guess 6.
Good one. That's easy, right, Faith? That's just the 0 rule. Remember, any number times 0 is always 0.
4 times 2. Well, that's easy. 2, 4, 6, 8.
Perfect. 11 times 2, we know that's the 11 rule, okay? And that's just going to be, you just double the 2 and it would be 22. Good job.
2 times 6. Let's count 2. And then eventually you will get up to 12. Or
You could think of it as 2 times 5, because sometimes that's an easier fact, is 10, right? Just take your 10 and add 2 more, and you get 12. So either way works great.
oh, I finally got
An easy one. Yeah.
1 times 2. That's easy. That's just the 1 rule. Anything times 1 is itself.
Sure. 5 times 2, you probably remember from before. It's going to be 10, but let's count anyway. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Nice job, everybody.
2 times 7. Well, you can count all the way to 14.
Good job.
And remember, if you're having trouble, you can always add the other number.
Good one. What was that?
What, Wally?
Boy.
We're teaching a lesson.
2 times 10. That's easy. That's just a 10 rule. And remember, the 10 rule is that we just add a 0. Nice job, everybody.
Everyone.
Please keep practicing your 2 facts. And thank you. And we will see you on the next one. Thanks, Faith.